Byron. This is Kylie from Byron Foreign Exchange. We're also Atlas Currency Exchange and we're online at www.atlascurrency.com.au. We have daily updated rates for global travel cards, foreign currency cash buy and sell, and also buy and sell international money transfers for when you need to transfer money in or out of the country. Atlas Currency has an Australian Financial Services licence. We're the only Australian-owned company outside the banks that are licensed to provide FX cash, global travel cards and international money transfers. We're regulated by ASIC and we can provide all of the major services that the banks provide, just at better rates and lower fees. As far as international money transfers are concerned, there is a lot of money to be saved on this service. If you are using international money transfers for personal or corporate reasons, for example, if you're an importer or an exporter and you regularly have to settle or receive accounts in foreign currencies, we can quote you and you can get a very good idea about the sort of savings you can get on your bottom line for your business. People immigrating or emigrating who have to move funds from one country to another, this is also where you can receive large savings on the movement of that money. Just as a general example, Atlas Currency today, on the transfer of $100,000 US against the major banks, would save you between $2,400 and $2,730. That's the same $100,000 going to wherever you need it to go, but costing you $2,700 less just to get it there. Please give us a ring for live rates on these sorts of transfers, as there are very large discrepancies in between rates and fees. Atlas Currency can also sell you the Amex Global Travel Card. These travel cards, like the polar bear behind me and also this one, it's basically a piece of plastic that has your foreign currency loaded onto it. It's a good idea to get some foreign cash for when you get off a plane, and then to also have a global travel card. Global travel cards are not all created equal, however. Some of the other products on the market will charge you to purchase them, load them, reload them. They do expire. They will also charge you if the cards are lost or stolen. The Amex Global Travel Card, when you purchase it from Atlas Currency Exchange, has none of these. There are no administration fees. When you purchase the card, there is no fee to purchase it. Load the money, reload the money, unload the money. The card never expires. Essentially, you can just bring it home and put it in with your passport, use the funds on there the next time you travel, or use the funds online to shop, or come back in and unload it with no fees applied. There is an ATM fee applied on the card at point of withdrawal, but this is also easy to get around because you can use it at merchant points, EFTPOS points, to purchase things. In a restaurant or a shop, for example, you just ask them if they take Amex, swipe the card and the value comes off with no fees applied. Give us a ring on 1300 261 090 if you have any more interest in these cards. They're also very good if you're travelling a little bit further down the track because you can control your budget better. If you know you're going to Europe in 6 months' time, for example, you can regularly load money onto them due to the fact that there are no fees at load point, and you can spread your rate risk over that time, as well as control your budget better by putting a few hundred on every week or every month as opposed to a large lump sum all at once. We also have products called travel sims and roaming sims. Much like our key cards and our credit cards, there are a large number of fees attached to them when we step off the island. Our telecommunications companies also have very exorbitant global roaming rates the minute we step out of Australia. We have a couple of products, Roaming Sim and Travel Sim. Both of these products are international SIM cards that you can put into your mobile phone, activate and load credit onto. This means you're controlling your spending. The credit loading on the front end, as opposed to the $1,500, $2,000 phone bill on the back end, means that you know exactly how much you're spending. The global roaming rates with these two products are also much better than the telecommunications providers. You can save between 75% and 90% on all of your text, calls and data downloads while you're overseas. Again, if used correctly, these cards also never expire. So the SIM can be taken out of your phone when you return home, put in with your passport, the next time you travel, you've already got the SIM, you just load some more credit, put it in your phone and off you go. Please note the bottom of the screen for rates today, as we've had a bit of a delay on our rates, so they will be updated and you can see them as they come across the screen.